In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to preview your project here in Canva. So once you've created something here in Canva, I just have this presentation just here. But once you've created something and you want to preview that, what you want to do is come down to the right-hand corner just here to where it says Present Full Screen. Now, if we click on there, we can take a look, we can look through the slides and to make sure everything looks good. Now, another way is that we can come straight up to Present just here. And if we click on there, go to Present like so, we can also preview it that way as well. Then we can just go through the slides to make sure everything looks good. So that's how you can easily preview your projects here in Canva. Now, for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.